Hi, my name is Frank Papa, and I'm an attorney with the law offices of Robert M. Geller. In just a moment, I'm going to speak to you about how to bring a claim if you are burned by someone else. But before I do that, if you have an injury matter that you'd like to discuss with an attorney, please feel free to give us a call, because we're happy to sit down with you in a free consultation to discuss your matter. Now, if you're burned by someone else, you can bring a claim for damages, and the standard would be if that person who caused your burn acted reasonably under like circumstances. It's a general negligence claim, and what that means is that we have to prove certain things to recover damages for your injury. We have to prove a duty by the person who burned you or caused that burn. That's usually a duty of reasonable care, meaning that they should have reasonably took consideration for your care before they caused that dangerous situation that caused the burn. They have to breach that duty, which means that they failed to protect you from that harmful situation. That harmful situation and their breach of that caused your damages, which is causation, and that you were damaged, that you suffered a burn that resulted in medical treatment and medical damages. We've handled a number of burn cases at the law offices of Robert M. Geller. A few come to mind. There was a very nice lady, a little Italian grandmother. I'm Italian, so I kind of feel fondly about her. She was about 5 feet tall, very sweet, and she was undergoing a shoulder surgery at a local hospital. She was in the hospital bed and had her arm restrained, fully restrained, so that she couldn't even feed herself. The hospital failed to give her any assistance with feeding, and when she asked the 19-year-old nursing tech to heat up her coffee, she brought it back scalding at an untenable temperature and left it on the edge of her bed table. Unfortunately, that styrofoam cup melted, collapsed on my client, and burned her through her clothing. She had second and third degree burns because the nurses couldn't remove the gown because of her restrained arm. We brought a claim against the hospital, and they settled without going to trial. I've had another case with a little young toddler in a daycare facility where there wasn't proper supervision, and the toddler wandered into the chemical closet of the daycare and somehow got into commercial bleach. And the commercial bleach burned his little thigh. And the mother didn't realize until she got him home because he was screaming and screaming and didn't know what happened until she saw the bleached clothing. We brought that claim, and they also settled. We also had a nice young girl who was at her first semester of college, and she was attending a parade on campus. And a college frat boy decided it would be a good idea to make homemade fireworks. Didn't work out too well. The firework exploded, and hot fluid scalded our client's face and chest to where she had to have procedures to remediate the scarring. We brought that case, and that case almost went to trial, but they also settled as well. So we've handled some very interesting burn cases in our career here at the law offices of Robert M. Geller. I certainly hope you're never burned, but if you or someone in your family has been burned, please feel free to give us a call at any time to come in and discuss that potential claim. We're happy to sit down with you in a free consultation and see if we can do something for you in regards to bringing that claim. Thank you so much for listening.